Hello everyone, my name is Moran and welcome to Tutorials Hub channel. Today's video is going to be about how to use Printify on Shopify store. If you want to sell print-on-demand products with minimum investment in 2024, this video is for you. Before we get started and dive deeper into this video, I wanted you to know that you can click the link in our description down below and get Shopify store. So click the link, follow the road, and you will be able to get Shopify and start using this platform as I'm using right now. So let's dive into this video. Before we get started, we would have to install Printify app in our Shopify store. So click on the search bar menu and type in Printify. So it's gonna take us and redirect us to their Shopify app store. We're gonna press install, and then it's gonna redirect us back to our Shopify store. We're gonna press install once again. We can close this tab. Awesome. Now, as it is installed, it's gonna ask us to sign in. I'm gonna sign in with my email. It's gonna take a little bit of time, but should not be so much. Okay, I'm gonna click again. Yeah, and we are redirected to the CRM of Printify. So this is how the CRM looks like. Here you have some of the features listed out on the right side, and on the left side you have a menu that we will go through, and I will explain you step by step how to use it and what to use it for. So how does this platform work in general? And this platform allows you to test products with your branding without you having the need to have your own stock of products at your warehouse, at your home. So it basically provides everything that you need to start e-com, dropshipping store or a brand. So how does it work? So in case you want to create your own custom design of any product that is listed out here, you would click over to product. You can see the specs of the product within here, and you can start designing. So here you have like more information and everything how it works from here. So as you can see, they provide you the list of the companies that they collaborate with, that you can collaborate with in case you want to work with them on print-on-demand business model. So as you can see here, they have they showed you how much they charge for shipping, what's the average production time when it comes to that product, what's the price of the product, and what type of sizes and colorings they have. So let's dive into designing this product and how it would look like. As you can see, they have built-in system where you can design a certain product. So we can just use, for example, this font, and we can use test design t-shirt. I just want to show you it's not going to be the most beautiful t-shirt that you ever saw. We're just using it for the testing purposes. We're going to flip over to backside. So in case you want to use an image or graphics, you can just upload an image from here. As that's not something I'm going to do, I'm just going to choose some graphics. I'm just going to choose some random graphic just to show you guys how it looks like. Yeah, and this is the back of the t-shirt. So now we can just save the product, and the product has been created. Woohoo! Here we can type in the product description, product title, add tags, what type of products is it that we want. And here you can see how much this product is going to cost you and what's going to be the local delivery to your end customer. You see the cost for the worldwide is a bit more different because they probably have warehouses in United States, so it's a bit more expensive, and the delivery time is actually less than it is for the American market. That's for the local delivery. International delivery, it can take up to from 10 to 30 days, so it could be more than just 4 to 8 business days as it is in America. As you can see, they give you the retail price, something that they would charge when it comes to that product. They have a production cost, which is pretty high, to be honest. For one t-shirt, you can get it much cheaper on Alibaba and AliExpress, but this is just for the market test and just for you to see whether your brand has a potential to grow. Then you can switch later on to more cheaper suppliers, to suppliers that are more to your fit and something that you've been looking for. They have also calculated what should be the retail price of it, and you see they calculated in 40% margin, and you would get from one sale you can get like 13.4 US dollars by generating one sale. And they recommend that you should be shipping on behalf on the cost of your customer, and the usual cost of it is about $4.75, and they recommend shipping option as standard option. So this is actually how it works, and this is how you can see and test the product and designs that you guys have without investing so much money into buying stock, which you might have problems later on to sell, or that you just want to test something out without wanting to order everything in bulk. So let's go back to our dashboard. This is how you can check what other products they have. You can just click here more. If in case you want to go for USA, they have these products available at the moment, from tough cases, from mugs, uh, this type of no sleeve tees, pillows, and so on and so on, socks, and they have like canvases and as well. So they have like multiple products. I'm pretty sure that they're gonna be expanding their palette of products, so you would be able to actually try different product variations to see what's been really going well for your brand. Let's move deeper, and we're gonna go to orders. So you see that you don't have any orders at the moment here because we haven't used Printify so far on this specific web shop. So in case you want to get this product listed out, and I would definitely recommend that you create product and put it in your products within Shopify. So once that been published, you will get it and you will be able to order directly from Printify. But I'm gonna show you how it works, and I'm gonna show you how you should be doing it. So here, as you can see, they have a balance where you can basically deposit a certain amount of money for you to be able to order directly from Printify once you get the order. Let's say that you put, I don't know, $500 here. So it means once you get the order done, once you receive the order from your web store, you would be able to send the money directly to Printify without waiting for any type of transaction. So they would be able to provide you and send your product to the end customer right away. So once you get balance decreased down to zero, or to the amount that's not enough for you to purchase another product, then you would have to deposit once again, and so on and so on. But don't be stressed, because it means that if you have to deposit again, it means that you already sold all of the products and that you're cash flow positive. So don't worry about depositing the money here, because it means that you made more money than you just deposited. You have the store insights, and they have like everything. They have a couple of videos that you can just check, and they have like a lot of videos that will be able to provide you with some insights how you should be doing it. And they have like multiple tutorials that help you with specific needs that you maybe guys will have later on in the future. They have insights as well, where you can see how these products are performing. They also have store settings. You can rename the store, ship from different addresses. They have like order settings when it comes to Printify choices, best prices for fastest deliveries, etc., etc. They also have a shipping calculator, depends where the production is coming from. So you can calculate everything within here. So this is definitely something that I would recommend to everybody when they're just starting out with a dropshipping store, whether they just want to test some of the products that they don't have, but they want to put them in their product palette. without putting so much risk on the table. I also just wanted to mention that once again, you can check the link in our bio description down below and start using Shopify for free with the trial period. So click the link down below, check it out, and it will navigate you directly to Shopify where you will be able to install Printify. In case you really need some specific help when it comes to Printify and any Shopify features, just comment down below or reach us out via email, and some from our team will be able to help you out solving some of your issues that you guys have. We've come to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, share this video in case it helped you, and we would really appreciate if this video really gave you some additional value to your established business. Thank you guys so much. Take care.